Oh, we're gonna be making paper airplanes.
Please pay attention because this is a memory test. Okay, so take your paper and fold it the hot dog way. Now that you have a crease in your paper, you are going to fold the corners, creating this shape on both sides. So this is gonna be what you have, and then you're going to fold this down to create this shape like an envelope. Now this part's kind of tricky, so you're going to fold these corners and make sure that they touch the crease, but hold on. You're gonna be leaving a tiny space, like a little diamond shape right here. And then you are going to flip up that diamond shape to sort of fold over your two edges. And then you are going to fold this in half, going along the crease from the first middle crease. So it'll look like this, and then you just fold over your edges. And this creates your paper airplane. It should have a blunt end because that's like the that's what makes them go faster. So this is what it looks like.